Yeah, we do a lot of good fun, like team building things outside of work. We do a lot of lunch dates on our anniversaries, which is a great time just to get out of the office during the week and just kind of spend time together. During our lovely COVID break, we did a lot of virtual
happy hours.
Yeah, we had some Zoom daily kind of check-in meetings a couple of times a week, and then we also did a little happy hour.
Happy hours.
So we just got to see each other's face and have social distancing contact.
Yeah.
So we weren't alone.
Yeah. Kind of help your morale, I guess.
So we've done fun things as an office. We've done a cooking class, just where we all get to hang out outside of work.
And
we did Moni's wedding.
Yes, we did Moni's wedding, and that was really pretty.
We've always done something, since I've been here for so long. Like, we've had ballroom dance classes.
Stretch lab.
Stretch lab.
The stretch lab.
We did jujitsu. I don't know how to say it. That was not good. We once went to Dallas and bungee jumped and did all that kind of stuff. So, we've always done fun stuff like that.
Bowling, things like that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
One year we went rock climbing at a rock climbing gym. I think you can kind of tell from me, I'm not really a rock climbing kind of person, but I did it. The coworkers were all standing below, and I made it up to the top, and I even rang the bell, and I would have never thought I could do something like that.
We do a lot of things together just for fun, as well as, giving back to the community. And I think that's what makes this office so much different than any other that I've ever worked at.
Obviously, Keller means a lot to us, and the blood drive that we put on, it was an awesome turnout, and we just really try to give back to the community. And by us doing the blood drive, I feel like that was something that we could all participate in.
Early on, he got started with Christ Haven for Children. It's an organization here in Keller, and he really believes in what they do. So early on, he decided that we would take care of all the dental needs of all the kids that live at Christ Haven. And we have done that over the years. And it's just been awesome to see the kids grow up. And we've even had a couple of the kids say they want to be a hygienist, or they want to be an assistant or a dentist. And it's just great to see that he gives back to the community and helps the kids that are truly in need.
When I first started here, we did a fundraiser for Thanksgiving. He had each of us pick a nonprofit organization that we liked, and whatever the patients donated, he doubled that.
We're always doing something. There was one time we went and mowed some people's yards, older people's yards, just kind of, trying to help them out.
The lady across
the street. And then we've done it before at other places too, so.
Yeah, we built her a cool little flower garden.